As a professional storage manufacturer, we operate a fully equipped SMT workshop furnished with automatic PCB loaders and unloaders, high-precision screen printers, and full automatic high-speed placement machines. We implement strict quality standards throughout the whole production process. Professional burn-in testing and automatic die testing are carried out to ensure product reliability. We are capable of delivering stable, consistent, and high-quality PCB assembly solutions tailored to various storage products to satisfy diverse market demands.